performance. If you guys are new to the channel, obviously we just did a 82mm throttle body, long tube headers. Okay, I'm gonna smoke a 40 here. What is happening, you guys? Welcome back to another POV. This is the second time driving the E55 after the 82mm throttle body upgrade. Car feels great, throttle response is amazing. Still no tune, still stock, long tube headers, 82mm throttle body. Also, I was gonna say, if you guys are interested, you can take a look at my AFR gauge. If you guys that are curious about how the gauge is working and how my data display is also working, I've got IATs and boost, how much boost I'll be running. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to look at that while we do the POV. This is the first POV with the long tube headers. And what am I doing? I'm not in manual mode. First POV with long tube headers, 82mm throttle body. This car sounds amazing. That's pure music right there. A lot of you guys seem to enjoy the POV videos, and I enjoy it also. It's pretty fun just to take this car out, listen to it, downshifts here and there. Woo! Now it would be super cool with a custom tune to do, like, you know, 1 or 2 pops and bangs at like 4,000 RPMs. Wow. You guys, it's a different day. I had to cut the video the other day. The highway was blocked off and everyone was taking the back roads. It was pretty much clogged. I couldn't do a video. So different day. ask you guys, what's your favorite thing so far about the E55, this E55? Because we've done a few things already, cosmetically and performance wise. Actually, you know, probably whoever comments your top two, and if you want to add a third one you can, but it would be nice to know in the comments down below what you guys, your favorite thing is about this E55. Performance, if you guys are new to the channel, obviously we just did a 82mm throttle body, long tube headers. We have a lifted airbox with Canon filters in them. It's completely stock. ECU, TCU, not tuned at all. We've got cosmetically, we run in CLS 550 wheels all around. We've got carbon fiber bits on the front lip, side skirts, rear trunk diffuser, and rear trunk spoiler. It looks phenomenal. Obviously we've got tints on the car. The badges are blacked out. If you guys want to look at the whole car, I have a video on it. You guys can check it out. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this thing sounds insane. Hopefully it's not too windy. I definitely want to get some exhaust sounds in the video. That's why I have the window down just a tad bit. Hopefully it's not too windy. Oh, do you want to do like a 40 or 60 row on this road?
Yeah, we can.
Alright, cool. It should clear up since it's a red. Hopefully no one turns in on this road. Maybe we can do a 60 because there are people behind us. We'll see. Gotcha. That's really windy. Did you say something?
Yeah, I said your car sounds so good.
Oh, thank you. After this light, what are your IATs right now?
120.
120?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna smoke a 40 here. That was driver mod, because I shouldn't have done first gear. Hey, that was all me. I shouldn't have done first gear. I want to do it one more time just to see. That was not good at all. Let me get off manual mode. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
The charger didn't want to engage.
Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, makes sense. I think you would have still beaten me anyways. Yeah, the first run was all me. So I did it in first gear, and pretty much I was bogging down. Like, I couldn't shift fast enough.
Gotcha. I did both of them in second gear.
Yeah. Well, I wanted to try it out in first and see, but at least I learned. In 40, don't do it in first gear. Are you gonna follow on this one?
Yeah, I'll follow. Transitioning off the bridge is brutal.
Oh, yeah. I like slowed down all the way, and right when I was about to hit the bump, I let go of the brakes. Alright, you guys, that was really fun. I had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Man, that was fun. Anyways, if you guys really enjoy the POVs, go ahead and smash the like button. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more, and we'll do more POVs. Alright, you guys, I'll see you later. Take care.